Are you a parent that's looking at returning to work, but think that you can't use your parenting skills in the workplace, so you don't have the confidence to do it? Well, how are you going to get that confidence? Once you know how, you become job ready, and then you get the confidence. So maybe you're more employable than you think. Let's show you how. Have a look at this. Does this sound like a parenting style? If you were known as a parent like this, would you be happy? Looking at making sure the needs of others are met. Does that sound like what a parent does? Do those served grow as a person? Do they, while being served, become healthier, wiser, freer, and more autonomous? Wouldn't you love kids to think for themselves? And what's the effect on society's least privilege? Or at the very least, are they not further deprived? Wouldn't you like to be known for that? That's actually the definition of what's called the servant leadership style, which has been around in business since the 70s. Perfected over the years by charity organisations. It's actually the dominant leadership style used by project managers these days and customer-focused organisations, such as Virgin. If you're not serving a customer, you're serving someone that is. Does that sound familiar? Okay, so let's look at the term work. What is work these days? Here's how it's defined in the training package. The term work's not intended just for employment context. It's also educational, training, and the broader community context. There's 10 core skills for work, which are in every vocational education and training package in the country. Here they are. Tell me if these sound familiar. Navigate the world of work. Okay, so you haven't been at work for a while, so that might sound a bit confusing. Well, here's what it's defined as. Managing career and work life. Working within roles. Rights and protocol. So what else is there? Interacting with others. Do you interact with other people? You communicate for work? Well, you just need to know what to talk about. But you can network and you do things to get used to that. You connect with others. Recognise and utilise diverse perspectives. Who out there is with someone that everyone's entitled to their opinion? That doesn't work in the workplace either. The next one is getting the work done. Plan and organise. Make decisions. When was the last time someone else decided what you were going to have for dinner? Identify and solve problems. You got kids, you've got problems, okay? Everyone's a great parent until there's a problem. But how do you come up with the solutions? You create and innovate. And in this digital world, it's using the technology. You're probably already using a lot of the technology that businesses try and use. And you know what the fastest growing user group on Facebook is? It's grandparents. So where do we go from here? Is the problem that you don't really know what you love? And if you did, what are you worried about? If you're worried about finding a job with flexible hours for your kids, okay, let's look at that. You don't think you've got relevant skills? No, we've kind of been through that. Or you're worried about using technology. You're using it now. So what would you do if you didn't have to worry about that? Well, would you like to find out? Want 3 less things to worry about? Go to customisedcourses.com.au and then return to work. We're not saying it's easy, but we can make it simple because you've already got most of the other stuff that you need to get back to work.